kids have fun. You can't tell them to sit down. Get up if you want to. Do whatever you want to do. We're here to have a good time. The next song we're going to do is one of my favorite songs. It's Academy Award nomination and a Golden Globe Award. Wait. Hold it, wait. Listen, we've been doing this song for years and years. I'll tell you what, for a change, give me something new. Does he do it that way? If they say why?